Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how swap between two numbers without help of the third variable by using arithmetic operators multiplication and division. From previous video you understand how swap between two numbers without using third variable by help of addition and subtraction, but in this case I am going to show you swap between two numbers without using third variable by help of multiplication and division. So let's begin. So here you first declare the variables a equal to eval int input. Okay, don't use eval now. So first you have to use int input, enter the value of a, b equal to int input, enter the value of b. Fine. Now a equal to a multiplication b, then b equal to a divided by b, then b a equal to a double division by b. Okay, so if you given a don't give a semicolon, you have no need of semicolon. Okay, so now when you going to print the value of, okay, here b a colon comma a print b colon comma b. Okay, now go, let's print. So here 2, then 3, it changes to 3 2. Okay, so here no, don't use single division because single division gather fractional value. If you go for the double division, it will accept the whole number and remove the fractional part, means this is a floor division and it accepts only the numerical part and don't take as a fractional part. So when you are going to take in any arithmetic expressions, mostly uses as a double division, and single division is very rare. But in case of Java, C, C++, if you do this particular programming, mostly here on there you will get the single division. Okay, so you have to remember this thing. So here double division. So what will happen here? First of all, a equal to a having value of 2 and b value is 3, which is returned to 6, is returned to 6. When go for the second, then a, then b equal to the value of a already is 6, which is updated. The value of a firstly is having as a 2. When the result it get the assignment, the resultant value, and it is updated to the 6. And then when it is reached to the second double division, a 6 double division b, the b value is 3, b value is 3, which is returns to 2. Okay, b value is 3, which is returns to 2. And when go for the hash a equal to the update, the recent value is 6 double division, and the updated value of b is 2, which is returned to 3. Okay, so when you going to print, a returns to 3 and b returns to 2. So another time I will use, I here using 4, then 3, and it returns to 3 4. So this is the way how you can help of by multiplication and division operator evaluate swap between two numbers. Very important thing, please keep remember these points between arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and modulus. Not sorry, not modulus, that's a floor division. Okay, by help of the floor division. I will update it here, not a single division, this is the multiple division. Fine. So if you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. And please like and share this video. Click on the subscribe button and click also bell icon. When I am going to upload any future video, you will get the notification. Thank you.